another morning. My mind never wakes up without you warning. And it's crazy to me, I even see you in my dreams. Is this meant to be? Could this be happening to me? We were best of friends since we were this high. So why do I get nervous every time you walk by? We will be on the phone all day. Now I can find the words to say to you. Now what am I supposed to do? Could there be a possibility? I'm trying to see what's up, 'cause I'm made for you and you for me. Baby, now it's time for us. Trying to keep it all together, but enough is enough. They say we're too young for love, but I'm catching